Ends another beautiful summer in Wales, a good part of Northern Ireland and Scotland, with the thickest clouds still to come tonight through Ireland and Scotland. So enjoy the evening. It'll get chilly fairly quickly, particularly inland with no real cloud in the sky, down to 9 or 10 again, similar to last night. But the heat wave is now beginning, and by the time we get to the middle of next week, we would expect to see temperatures in the middle 30s. Oh yes, in the middle of England, and the high 20s in Northern Ireland and a good part of Scotland. Only the real edges will be cooler. And of course that goes for all coasts. So if inland temperatures are too high, well yes, it will be cold if you put your foot in the sea, but the sea breezes induced will keep most coastal resorts, most seasides cooler, with some increasing risk for little patches of fog, admittedly. Tomorrow morning, for example, there is a risk it'll start a little bit foggy around the Thames Valley, for example. Clouds thicker in Northern Ireland and Scotland throughout tomorrow, with the odd spot of rain, and maybe in Cowes, you'll just be able to see in the distance a little bit of fog. There's an increasing risk of that too. Inland temperatures tomorrow about the same as today, plus 1 or 2. Sea breezes induced as a result, mostly around the south coast of England and the east coast of England. As for Monday, humidity has come up by this time, so there is going to be a greater risk of little bits of fog around the coast, as I suggested, but inland temperatures continue to rise, the sun becomes even more dominant, and eventually will even reach Northern Ireland and a good part of Scotland, Tuesday probably being the day when that really kicks in.